Hi! In this tutorial video, we'll show you how to use navigation on your Vieo RV infotainment system. First, you need to determine your route. A route is a path from your current location to a destination. Routing and navigation are calculated based on specifications in your vehicle profile. To start a route, select Where To. Select a location or enter an address in the Enter search box at the top of the screen. To start navigating using the recommended route, select Go. The device calculates a route to the location and guides you using voice prompts and information on the map. As you're driving, instructions for your next turn or exit or other actions appear across the top of the map. 1. Here is where you see the next action on the route. It indicates the next turn, exit, or other action and the lane in which you should travel, if available. 2. This is the distance to the next action. 3. This is the name of the street or exit associated with the next action. 4. Your route is highlighted on the map. 5. This is your next action on the route. Arrows on the map indicate the location of upcoming actions. 6. This is your vehicle's current speed. 7. The name of the road on which you are traveling is here. 8. Here's where you can get the estimated time of arrival. You can also touch this field to see other options available to display, such as time to destination and elevation. If you need to stop at additional destinations, they can be easily added to your route. For instance, if you need gas, select the gas icon. Choose your destination. Go, Add to active route, and Done. Vieo will guide you to the stop and then back to your original route. To learn more about Vieo, go to Garmin.com.